Hopefully you're having an amazing, beautiful day. You know, it's a nice day in Minnesota here. My dog's looking at the pheasant. Yup. I got some pheasant yesterday. Here's some really nice male. Yep, we do a lot of training on my for ice this week. And you can see that, you know, he already like pointing and oh, look at him. He loves these pheasants. Get him, boy. Point. Just running around, having fun, you know. Nice, beautiful day in Minnesota. Try to get that one. Get a boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Ice. Whoa, whoa. Get it. Whoa, Ice. Look at him running around. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Good boy. Boy. Yep. And I'm gonna try to put that over here for these other ones. Just let my dog have his little fun, you know. We'll be going out to the field soon. Point. Point. Whoa. Look at him. Whoa. Point. Whoa. Whoa. Yep. Or something move, he moves. If they stay, he's just gonna like stay. Get a boy. Get the bird. Ice. No touching daddy's fish pool. Come here. Get the bird. Whoa. I had to take a little break. Get a boy. Get the bird. That's one thing I love about the German short-haired pointer. If the bird don't move, he don't move. Really good bird dog. Come here, boy. Ice. Come here. Come here, boy. Good boy. Just let him play, have his little fun. Nice, beautiful day in Minnesota. Point. Point. Whoa. Hey. Ice. No. Don't touch the bird. Hey. Don't bite the bird, boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Ice. Come here. Point. Yeah, he's having his own little fun. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Ice. Good boy. Sit down. Sit. Ice. Sit. Sit down. Sit, boy. Ice. Having too much fun. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Get the bird. Get it. Yep. Thank you for all y'all watching. Have a good day. Do a lot of training with my boy. Come here, boy. Ice.